Movies 101. Welcome to my tutorial on how to make a paper airplane which can go faster than a car. Now I demonstrate how fast this will go. A bullet, some may say.
Stop the cap.
We will demonstrate how we make that. Alright, first we will fold it in half. Then we're gonna unfold it and make sure it's in the layer that the thing is facing up. And we're gonna fold it like 2 inches right here, then we flip. Now here's where we make the actual points. So we fold down, and we straighten, and we repeat. I should have a house looking paper right here. Now you want to take this and fold it kind of in half, where the point is still showing, like this. The paper should have a weird little point here. And we repeat the same step. And then we do it again. Once way. Yeah.
What you gonna do if we run up on you?
And you should have something looking like this. Alright? It's not complete yet, so don't get your hopes up. We gotta straighten it. We want a good tip right here. Alright, then we gotta fold it in half to make it look like an actual paper airplane. And then we fold it again. Because we really want that speed, you know? Like I said, faster than a car. And we repeat. Sure. Now, very, very similar to the one we had, right? Now we will demonstrate the bullet-esque throw. Really want a good point. All right. Faster than a car, and that's the tutorial. And we have another one. Ready? As you may have heard, that is a bullet. It's lethal, and it can kill someone. And yeah, I'm ready to use that. Oh shit.